In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make saving challenges in Canva. We're creating a simple, motivating tracker you can color in as you set money aside. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. Then choose Custom Size. If you want a compact version that slips into a wallet or cash envelope, enter 3 by 6 inches. For something that lives in a binder or on a clipboard, go with 8.5 by 11 inches. Pick the size that matches how you plan to use and print it. And remember that smaller formats work best with fewer, larger icons, while full pages give you more room for detail. Next, add a clean border so your challenge area feels defined. Press R on your keyboard to drop in a rectangle. Stretch it neatly to the edges of your canvas, set the fill to no color, and give it a solid black border at around 10 points. This creates a polished frame while keeping the interior open for your trackers and text. If it looks heavy, you can always adjust the stroke weight later. But 10 points prints clearly on most home printers. Now let's build the tracking elements. Head to the Elements tab and search for simple graphics like circle, heart, money bag, or even a house if you are saving for something specific. Choose outlined icons so they're easy to color in. Place your first icon where you want the sequence to begin. Press Ctrl-D on Windows or Cmd-Fade-D on Mac to duplicate it. Then continue duplicating and arranging them into rows and columns. Once you've laid out a grid, select all the icons, go to Position, and click Tidy Up. This instantly aligns and evenly spaces everything so your challenge looks clean and consistent. Add your amounts with a quick text box. Press T on your keyboard. Type values like $5 or $10, and position the text either inside each icon if T here is space or just below a row if you prefer a cleaner look. Keep the font simple and legible so you can read it at a glance, and choose amounts that fit your overall savings goal and timeline. For a subtle touch of style, search Elements for patterns, and add a light background. Lower the transparency so the icons remain the focus and easy to see when colored. Keep it minimal, just enough texture to make the page feel finished. When you are ready, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for the best quality, especially if you plan to print and laminate. Print at 100% scale on regular paper or cardstock, and you are set with a reusable, motivating savings challenge. Thanks for watching.